Hello guys, so come with me to make the centerpiece with a branch. Yes, a branch from the outside. Just go to your patio and grab a little branch like that. Then after you grab your branch like that, I'm gonna place it in there. I'm gonna take this candle holder like that and I'm gonna place it right in there. So I'm gonna use three of these candle holder. I'm gonna place one in the middle and then I'm gonna place one on each side like that. Then after you place it in there, you're gonna go ahead and grab your hot glue and put a little bit of hot glue, hold it down like that until it attach into place, and then continue to the one in the middle and do the same process and then do it the other one, the last one. Once like that, you attach the whole thing and it will stay into place. Then after that, we're gonna take these branches, these leaves. We got it from outside as well. Just take different colors if you would like. I'm gonna place two of these branches together like that, one on top of each other like that. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of the tape, cut it, and then place it and attach it in the middle just to hold the two leaf like that together. Then after you do that like that, just go ahead and grab your hot glue, put a little bit of hot glue like that, and then attach it right in there in the middle of the candle holder. And then we're gonna continue doing that. Put a little bit of hot glue and attach it to the other side. And then we're gonna do the last one and attach it to the other side as well. Then after you do that, we're gonna go ahead and take another branch and we're gonna place it right in there, put a little bit of hot glue, and then you're just gonna go ahead and attach another one in the other side, and then I'm doing like two yellow, and then I'm gonna take a little red one and place it right in the middle like that, so it can give it like a little bit cute look, like it can stand out. So then we're just gonna go ahead and repeat the same process in the other side. Use two yellow on each side, and then we're gonna take the red one, put a little bit hot glue, and attach it to the middle like that. Then after that, I'm gonna take this candle. I didn't have all the same color, so I'm gonna use two light green and I'm gonna use one white. Then just go ahead, if the candle don't attach, just put a little bit of hot glue, hold it into place, and then attach it right there in the candle holder. Then I'm gonna attach the other one in the other side as well. Then after that, I got this little beads, it's like little leaves, metal, and then I'm gonna take this rhinestone. I'm just gonna place a little rhinestone right in the middle of the leaf like that with hot glue. So then just go ahead and continue attaching it until you attach all three of them. And you see how look cute it looks like? It looks like it's shining or something. Then go ahead and grab a little bit of hot glue and place it right in the middle of the candle holder like that. So just continue attaching it like that until you attach all of the three candle holder into place like that. Then after you attach all the little leaves around it, what I'm going to do next is, like, if you want to use both sides that you don't want it to show, then just take two leaf, attach them like that, and then put a little bit of the hot glue, just place it right in the middle in there like that, just a little bit, and then attach it into place, and then just go ahead, put your hot glue and then attach it in the back. That's if you want to use the both sides of the centerpiece, if you're not doing it one size. You can leave it one style, you could do for both sides. It's up to you how you guys want to do it. And this is how cute, you guys. It turns out so simple, so easy, and so cute. You guys could also do like a long branch, a long one instead of a curve like that. It's up to you how you guys want to use it. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. And I hope you guys like this DIY video. Please do not forget to comment, like, and share. That's what really helped this page to grow. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.